Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR connection aborted error in Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the first solution will be to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to power cycle the modem, router, and computer. Now, this is specifically in cases of APIPA, but I'll guide you through the process. That will be easier. So, switch off the modem, router, and computer, all the three devices. Now, switch on the modem only, not the router, not the computer, only the modem. Wait for the lights to be stable. Once the lights are stable, then you can switch on the router. And then, after switching on the router, you can switch on the computer. The next solution will be to clear the browser cache and cookies. So here's how we do that. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then click on history once again. Select delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, click on delete. The next one is to remove extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and go to manage extensions. Find any problematic extensions, especially VPNs and ad blockers, and then remove them. Okay. The next solution will be to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down to help. Click on about Chrome. Wait for a few seconds. Chrome will update by itself. And lastly, if everything else fails, then reset the browser. So on the same page, go to reset settings. Click on restore settings to the original defaults and click on reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.